Look, the keys hang on the wall.
No, the keys hang in the wall.
Well, which one is correct actually? On or in?
Let's see the structure of on and in, then we can know about it.
Okay, let me go first with on. On is used when something is touching the surface of something. It can be a horizontal space like a floor or a beach, or a particular space like a wall. We also use on for the surface of body parts. Now you can go on.
In is used when something is located in a defined space like a yard or a three-dimensional space like a box or house or car. The space doesn't need to be closed on all sides.
So I think here on is the correct answer.
Yes.
Because the key is touching the wall.
Yes. So let's see some example of on and in. As
Okay.
example, there is water in the glass.
The book is on the table.
He lives in Dhaka.
He will come on Sunday.
My money is in my drawer.
He has a tattoo on his arm.
So that's all.
We'll back. It's another new topic.